English-Bosnian. Master can equals.
moći,
Fun, fast, and memorable. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, buckle up for a fun Bosnian power-up. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we'll unlock pure ability with can equals.
moći,
Ready to laugh and learn? Let's go. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every form with confidence. Targets. I can.
mogu,
You can.
možeš,
He can.
on može,
She can.
ona može,
It can.
ono može,
We can.
mi možemo,
You, plural, can.
vi možete,
They can.
oni mogu,
Base verb.
moći,
Conjugation jam, 10 seconds. Repeat after me, short, snappy, you've got this. Base, can equals.
moći,
I can equals.
mogu,
You can, singular, equals.
možeš,
He can equals.
on može,
She can equals.
ona može,
It can equals.
ono može,
We can equals.
mi možemo,
You can, plural, equals.
vi možete,
They can equals.
oni mogu,
Dialogue. The door that needed coffee. Listen first, then echo the Bosnian lines out loud. A. Can you open the studio door? B. I can.
mogu,
A. It's stuck. Can you try, coach? Coach. Sure, you can.
možeš,
But tap it gently. A. If Marco arrives, he can help.
on može,
B. And if Layla comes by, she can fix anything.
ona može,
A. This robot looks smart. Do you think it can push? B. Oh yeah.
ono može,
Coach. Team, we can lift together.
mi možemo,
Neighbors pop in. You, all, can take the other side.
vi možete,
Crowd chants. They can finish it.
oni mogu,
Door, dramatically, fine, I can open. Everyone, victory coffee. Quick drills. Say it before I do. I cue English. You fire the Bosnian, out loud. I can. Answer.
mogu,
You can, singular. Answer.
možeš,
He can. Answer.
on može,
She can. Answer.
ona može,
It can. Answer.
ono može,
We can. Answer.
mi možemo,
You, plural, can. Answer.
vi možete,
They can. Answer.
oni mogu,
Base verb, can. Answer.
moći,
Culture tip. The mighty, mo's. Sound local with one tiny word. In Bosnia, you'll hear.
može,
Used like, okay, sure. It comes from.
moći,
Can, so when someone says.
može,
Think, yep, it can happen. Try it with a smile. Coffee at 3?
može,
Mini quiz. No grades, just glory and a grin. 1. Say, he can, in Bosnian. Answer.
on može,
2. What's the base verb for can? Answer.
moći.
3. Translate, we can. Answer.
Mi možemo.
4. Say, you, plural, can. Answer.
Vi možete.
5. Translate, they can. Answer.
Oni mogu.
6. Say, I can. Answer.
Mogu.
7. Translate, you can, singular. Answer.
Možeš.
Challenge and outro. Lock it in with one brave burst. Your challenge: record yourself saying all 9 targets in order.
Moći. Mogu. Možeš. On može. Ona može. Ono može. Mi možemo. Vi možete. Oni mogu.
Then use 2 in a real sentence today. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, you absolutely can.
Mogu.
You? Yes, you can. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and resources. See you next time.